Hi, this is Robbie Sigona, and I have a fig recipe that I want to show you today. It involves black mission figs. I'm going to cut it in half, drizzle some honey on top of that. We will caramelize it with a blowtorch, and we're going to hit it with some cheese. It's a Gruyere cheese called a Manch from Switzerland. It's really delicious, and we're carrying it here at Sigona's. We're going to hit that too, melt that cheese right on top of the honey, and it's just an easy, wonderful recipe for you. So let's get started. First of all, I'm going to pick a nice ripe fig. Let's cut that little stem off so you don't have to worry about eating that. Cut it in half. Nice and ripe, that's beautiful. Take some of our honey, whole honey, drizzles out right on top. All right, now I'm going to take our blowtorch here and caramelize this. Once it starts bubbling, that's about when you're good. Start to see a bubble, that's perfect. Then we're going to take the Gruyere, the Manch Gruyere, put it on top here. And we're going to hit that guy too. And we're going to melt that with this awesome little blowtorch. I love it. I'm going to probably take it home. That's enough. Take a little bite of this and see how we did today. Absolutely delicious. You got to try it.